You must remember that FOREX BD uploaded a video about Fibonacci a few days ago. I hope those who have watched FOREX BD's video regularly, they can remember. This is one of the strategy through which you can easily draw horizontal lines at different points of the market, and it will act as support and resistance. You can easily analyze it through this indicator. You must have seen that video. There we had to set up this Fibonacci indicator manually. For example, first we have to find out the highest point and the lowest point in the market and set up the indicator based on these 2 points. But today we will share an indicator through which you can set up this indicator automatically. This means that if you use the indicator that we will share, then you don't have to set up the Fibonacci indicator manually. You no longer have to look for the highest or lowest point in the market. Fibonacci indicator will be set up by one click. So without wasting time, let's see how you will set up this indicator on your platform. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today we are sharing Fibonacci indicator. So directly we are going to the topic. So if you want to set up this indicator, you have to go to a site at the beginning. In the description, you will get FOREX BD's official website link. So click there. After clicking, FOREX BD's official website will come up. Then in this post, you will get a link for indicator. You can see here is the link of indicator in the middle of this article that you can see. So when you click on this option, you will go to that website for indicator. Here you can see a new website come, and in front of you, you can see the free automatic Fibonacci indicator. So you can see the download icon next to it. Once you click here, a page will appear where you have to sign up. Just enter a nickname and your email address below. So after submitting your nickname and email address, then there is an option called register. After filling this information, click on register option. After clicking, they will send the password to your email. That is, they will give the password in the email that you submitted at the Gmail option. Then open your email and copy this password and then submit there to log in. So your first job is done. Once done, you will click on the download icon again. After clicking on the icon that we have clicked before, a small page will appear. From there, click on the first option like open with MT4. Clicking here will open your MT4 software. If you have MT4 platform on your PC, then your software will open automatically. I am saying again, if you click here, your MT4 software will be opened. After it is opened, your second job is to see below this tab named market. So you can see it has opened. Here we find our desired indicator. If you see any download icon here, then you have to click that download icon to download. Then click on the view option above, then you will see the option named navigator. Then click on it. So after this, the navigator option will open here. You can see in this corner, the navigator page has opened. Then find the market name option from here. Then you can see here, there is written free automatic Fibonacci. So once you click here, a page will open. So if you click on the OK option here, your indicator will be set up. No need to find out highest point or lowest point. This will reduce the waste of your time as well as reduce the chance of making mistake. You can safely set up this indicator just one click. After the work is done, then you can easily add it to your chart by just one click. Then I hope you understand how to use this indicator for free. Today we shared this indicator and showed what benefit you will get here and how to set up. So our humble request to you, if you still don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's see the rest video. So for your convenience, I am saying again, you don't need to download this indicator here. Only you will go to FOREX BD's website and here you will get the link for this indicator. Then you will do what you saw in this video. If you want to change this indicator even after setup, then you can do that too. For this, click on the corner of this indicator. Then hold it and drag it to your desired point. Then I hope you can understand this video and you can set up this indicator if you want. So if you follow Fibonacci strategy, then this indicator will helpful for you. So I hope you can understand, and if you face any problem, don't forget to comment in the comment box and we will help you in any case. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.